You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this yumicious cake you're seeing right here. It's pretty easy. I was able to prepare different flavors with the same batter. Okay, let's do this together. Here are the ingredients you'll be needing. You need your flour, black treacle, golden syrup, sugar, vanilla flavor, cinnamon, strawberry flavor, scotch butter, evaporated milk, eggs. Yeah, so let's do this. I'll be mixing with my standing mixer because I have a lot doing today. So if you don't have standing mixer, don't shake. Please go ahead and use your wooden spoon here and stir till you have that fluffy texture. If you're in a very far place abroad where the cold is pretty much, please pop the butter or your margarine inside the oven for a minute so it gets a bit softer to help your mixer not to be stressed. Yes, if you're using hand, it will also help you to do the work pretty easy. So I'm measuring 1000 grams. That's 1 kg. 1000 grams is 1 kg. Yeah, 1 kg butter for this cake. So I'll be adding in the sugar. I'm lessing sugar. Normally you need to add up to 600 grams of sugar for this, but I'll be lessing sugar because I'm making it for my family and we don't consume much sugar. So here I'm adding the sugar right direct into the bowl. Don't forget we measured 1 kg before now, so I'll be adding the sugar right inside so that I will incorporate the two. If you want to do separate, no problem, but there is no difference. So go ahead and add your sugar. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. You're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. Yes. So here, that is it. I'm adding 550 sugar instead of 600. I just reduced a little. Some people add more than this, but I'm pretty okay. Some people do 1 to 1. That's 1000 grams of butter, 1000 grams of sugar. I'm not a sugar fan though. So I'm using my standing mixer, as I said. I'm creaming from a low speed to the higher speed. Yeah, it's time to crack my eggs. Take your time and crack this egg one after the other. Yes, pretty well, because you don't want to ruin the whole thing. Yeah, please, if you're in Nigeria, here in abroad, I can't imagine seeing a bad egg for the first time. But please, if you're in Nigeria, the weather is pretty hot. Sometimes things are stored for a long time in the shops. So make sure you do exactly what you're saying right here. Crack one after the other. Very important to enable you remove any bad ones. So I just cracked 20 first. Now I'm adding extra for that. Simply means if you're doing for 500 grams of butter, you are going to be using 12 eggs. So we are totally using 24. 24 eggs. So right now it's time to sieve. This is my flour, and here I have my baking powder. Add the flour to the baking powder to the flour, stir pretty well, and you start sieving. It's very important you sieve your flour. If possible, sieve 2 times, 3 times, no problem, just to incorporate and make it a bit lighter. It helps your cake come out beautiful, fluffy, and light. So go ahead and sieve your flour. Have you liked my video? You're welcome. If you're new, feel free to join this channel. The subscription is free, and To be sincere with you, it's just for you to be getting a lax of my newest video, and I promise you, if you are here, you will not regret it. I mean it. This is, don't just watch this and go away. Explore this channel, because I have up to 500 videos. I know you're gonna love it. That's just the truth. You are gonna enjoy it. You will enjoy the videos. Just try. I do pastries, I do cakes, I do a whole lot. I even cook hair. So you can see I just mix the yolk with the white. That's all. Some people say if you don't whisk, and the thing will foam up, it will not come out pretty well. My dear, is a lie. Whether I do this or I don't, my dear, my cake will come out beautiful. Those things does not matter. There are a lot of things in the, what I call it, in the olden days. I do hear before about cake. I've tried all. It's not possible. The same thing with when you're turning the butter and sugar, turn anti-clockwise. If you go the other way around, your cake will spoil. Is a lie. Nothing like that. Whether anti-clockwise or other side, my dear, your cake will be beautiful. The main thing, stick on the right recipes, stick on the right measurement, stick on the right ingredients, select the best quality ingredients. Here is our butter and sugar. You can see it's looking fluffy already. Yay! So if you're using your wooden spoon, please make sure you cream this till you have this fluffy look. Yeah. Do you want to know the way you will be aware that it is ready? Just lift a little from the wooden spoon and it will just fall off. You're good to go. So it's time to mix a little of dry ingredients, a little of liquid ingredients, a little of the eggs, a little of the flour. Yes, I am using evaporated milk. Feel free to use your Hollandia milk, your fresh milk, any milk. Please, this video is on speed. Don't think I'm missing this on a speed lane. No. I'm doing it little at a time. This is rub in method. Yeah, sorry, fold in method, not rubbing. Fold in method. So you don't need to turn your own with speed and say, hey, her video was turning speed. No. Please do it gently, so that your butter will not have lumps. Yeah, right now I'm adding my evaporated milk. So you can see how our butter is looking. It's looking so light, beautiful already, and tastes yummy, because me, I love tasting my own cake down before it's ready. Yes. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to be a part of this lovely channel only by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to be sincere with you, subscription is free. Right now I'm sharing out my butter. Yeah, I'm sharing it out. Like I told you before, we are about to create different flavors: vanilla flavor, spiced vanilla flavor, and the last one, strawberry flavor. So first thing, we'll be going with the vanilla. One vanilla that way, one vanilla that way. You just watch carefully to understand the whole magic. This is strawberry flavor. So it's strawberry, vanilla, and spiced vanilla flavor. I call it upgraded vanilla cake. Yeah, so my upgraded vanilla cake, I'm adding cinnamon. Yeah, that's a half tablespoon of cinnamon, a little red velvet powder to my strawberry flavor, and you mix, like I say, mix gently so that you will not over mix your batter. Very important. That's golden syrup. This black treacle to my spice and upgraded vanilla flavor. So you can see that to the spice vanilla flavor, that's where we are adding this. Yes. Okay, in case you want to know my milk measurement, I'll still put on the description box. I'll put it on the screen for you to know the measurement for the milk. This is the one in the pot is our spice and upgraded vanilla flavor, while this is our strawberry and the other one is just vanilla flavor, nothing added. You can see that, only vanilla flavor. Yeah, so just take your time and incorporate every and you get your pans ready. At this time you have to go and on your heat, on your oven to start preheating. You need to on it and make sure it's heating up before you start mixing up the rest. So go ahead, just take your time and mix this gently. Yeah, so get your pans ready, everything ready. You only grease your pan and dust with flour if you don't have baking sheets. Today no baking sheet in the house, so I'm greasing only and dusting with my flour. You can see how the pan is looking. That's exactly what I did. So right now this is our strawberry looking beautiful already, our spiced vanilla flavor. Oh, if you have not tried this spiced vanilla flavor, please, I call it upgraded. It's upgraded, it's touched, it's spiced indeed. Go and try it and I promise you your client will say something has changed about your cake. So go and try it. I know you will come thanking me later. So that is that. We'll have to add every this is just vanilla flavor. Yeah, this is just vanilla flavor, nothing added. Yay! Have you liked my video? Have you liked my video? Have you liked my video? Have you shared to your friends and family? Are you a part of Progressive Recipe? If you have not liked my video, feel free to like this video. Feel free to comment, ask question. And to my old subscriber, I just want to use the opportunity and thank you. This, I'm tapping it on the table. This is very important too. Close up air bubbles. I noticed one of my pans, I don't know the particular one, is leaking the last time I baked, so I'm using this to protect the batter. So feel free to join this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. My cake is ready. I bake with 180 degrees. Yeah, cake is ready. Don't mind the top because my own oven, the hotness comes from the top. Look at that beauty, it's so attractive, looking beautiful and soft. Yeah, so just imagine the color, just imagine. We have to open it up and have a taste. At least if you can't have a taste, me, I will taste for you and my own, and you only see the color. The color is pretty fine and I know you will like it. Please, I want you to try this out. Join me on Instagram, Progressive Recipes. Join me on Telegram, Progressive Recipes. Join me on Facebook, Progressive Recipes. I'm everywhere. I feel free to share your own experience. Feel free to share your own work, what you have tried. I will be happy to see your work. Look at that beauty. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this lovely? Imagine. So have you liked this video? Have you liked this video? If you have not liked it, please like. Click on the like button. Share to someone. Share. Okay, the final cake is ready. Yay! So our final cake is ready right now. Isn't this beautiful? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. Bye.